Hi, I'm Jacqueline from BetaKit, and today we're at the beautiful well in the core of the city visiting Intuit's Toronto office.
My name is Ian Hartland.
My name is Aveen Padney.
I'm David Thompson.
And I am a staff program manager for the tech community here at Intuit.
I'm a senior front-end engineer working on the virtual expert platform team here at Intuit.
I'm a director of engineering here at Intuit, and I lead the TurboTax Canada and mobile app teams.
I think one of the greatest things at Intuit is the people, the community, the culture here. That's something which really drove me to join Intuit. We're solving a lot of important customer problems. Finances are typically something stressful for people, and Intuit, we're a fintech company, so one of our goals is to make that easier for customers around the world.
We have access to amazing talent here in Toronto. People are moving here from all over the country, all over the world, to work in a world-class city with great education opportunities, and we're here at the center of it.
The cafeteria and the design that went into this is all about gathering space, right? The whole of the 19th floor is about this here. I think we try to optimize authentic connection, opportunities to bump into each other. The barista counter really is like the center of the home, so to speak. People are gathering there in the morning, getting their cups of coffee, catching up.
For me, I'm someone that goes there every single day, usually twice a day. It's the first thing I do when I get to the office, and it's a great way to just interact with people first thing in the morning.
When you optimize for hybrid work, which we do here at Intuit, we're going to lean on these alternative work points and open spaces to facilitate that.
There are different neighborhoods for all types of different collaboration. If you need a quiet space, you'll find it. If you need an open area with all kinds of whiteboards, you'll find it. We have opportunities for hybrid work, so people working at home can connect directly to our conference rooms.
There's a lot of different working spaces in the office. If you just want a change of scenery, there's different places you can sit and work. We've introduced different collaboration spaces, all with different themes, so it helps you, kind of keep things fresh in your head. But at the same time, if you need to sit down and get work done, we have focus rooms, which you can really sit in a room, lock in, and get your work done as well.
I think we've been really lucky to get space here in the well that includes a large terrace. We get amazing views of the CN Tower. We crane dropped in the moose that you see out there. He came from Mississauga initially, and they had to kind of airlift him in some way. That space becomes another, again, organic meeting space for staff in the summer months. We don't get very much of them in Toronto, so we got to make use of them when the weather's good.
I really enjoy collaborating with others and learning from my seniors, and getting that face-to-face interactions with the folks here at Intuit is something which I really value. Everyone is super helpful, always willing to work one-on-one with you to teach you something, to work onto something together, to program together. But it's a very inclusive and growing community here.
The game rooms play a really important role in our culture, I think. I'm a hooper, so I like the Pop-A-Shot machines in every elevator bay. I'm trying to always beat my own high score. I put up 66 yesterday. But there's a bunch of variety, right? Like you see, there's racing simulators, there's some PlayStations. I think we've got a really active ping pong group. There's chess club.
We also invite people in the door to do events on a regular basis. We have company events like Global Engineering Days twice a year, where we put our pencils down and we work on whatever project we want to. There's great spaces to show off your work. And it's just a really inviting office environment where as soon as you walk in, you feel at home.
Thanks so much for coming with me to Intuit today. See you next time.